The way they make wonton noodle in Vietnam is totally different from the way they make wonton noodle in Hong Kong. I just combine in a bowl of wonton noodle soup, which is we can call it our own. My name is Mike Tran. I build restaurant, I design restaurant, and I also design the menu of the restaurants. Men, all Asia, all the languages, it sounds the same. If you say men in Mandarin, it's men. Me is Cantonese. Vietnamese is mei. Malaysian, they call it yi. Korean, they call it mien. So it's almost the same sound, so I thought it would be cool to pick the word men that everyone can recognize.
Tran was born in Cambodia and was a refugee in several countries before settling down in the US. Based on his experience and Cantonese roots, he designed this menu of classic Cantonese dishes that incorporate part of other Asian cuisines. One of their signature dishes, house wonton noodle, is an example.
So I take a little bit of ingredient from different places. I just combine in a bowl of wonton noodle soup, which is we can call it our own. The house wonton noodle soup is with roughly about 16 ounces of soup. The soup takes about 18 to 20 hours to make. And then it's gonna be with egg noodle, thin egg noodle, 1 shrimp, 2 pork belly, 2 shrimp wonton. And then after that, we're gonna have the good stuff, which is the minced pork, crispy pork, garlic oil, and the XO sauce, 1 fried wonton, and then top it with chive, cilantro, and green onion, and the soy sauce. I was born in Cambodia. I think my mom was carrying me over to Vietnam because, you know, where dad go, we have to go. I left Vietnam in '79. That's after the war, a couple years after the war. So we escaped from Vietnam from a fishing boat. And then we went to Malaysia. We stayed in a refugee camp for about a year and a half. And then they moved us to Philippines for another 6 months or so. So after that, I came straight to Houston. There's a lot of textures and flavor that you can taste from different countries. Like the egg noodle is very crunchy and it's thin. The wonton is very Cantonese style, which is mostly shrimps. The way they make wonton noodle in Vietnam is totally different from the way they make wonton noodle in Hong Kong. Wonton noodle soup in Vietnam is mostly with bone and chicken soup, with fish sauce and minced pork and char siu and vegetable and all that stuff in there. But now if you go to Hong Kong, they keep it very simple. Hou means xin. Hou, it means good in Chinese. Mean, it means noodle. And xin, it means eat or feast. But if you say hou means xin, the sound of the word in Cantonese, it means like you look familiar. So a lot of Cantonese will get it once they hear that phrase. I got some of the idea for men is from, you know, during the 20s or the 30s of the Shanghai era. Some of the street art from Hong Kong. Some of the industrial looking stuff from New York or the East Coast. I know there's a market here. There's a lot of people coming in and out here, but you just have to give them something good so they can come.
Next time on Mean Street Gourmet, we head to Singapore's Chinatown to visit a couple that makes spicy, creamy laksa.